Nag-iiba ang ihip ng hangin in this 11 under division. This time, that's an attack. Second try is good.
Covered this kid a couple of times talking about Eugene Mendoza, and he does have a knack for scoring that basketball.
Work at Tabay. Maybe a second chance. Leaves it down low, and that's an end one for Gonzalez. Much pressure. De Guzman saw Kagikla. Not enough angle to keep them alive. Extra pass. Shooting and scoring is Gonzalez again.
So again, another steal at the backcourt. Barangay Academy having a hard time getting the ball across so far.
But look at Magtibay. Ready to pick up the recovery. Pass again. Patungo na naman kay Gonzalez.
They're putting on a clinic. Start ng second quarter, no? 10 points. Barangay Academy still scoreless and medyo napako na talaga sila.
That's Gonzalez getting another two-pointer. Meanwhile, itong kabila, nakaka-10 puntos na.
I think that's 44 points. Eh?
Look at this, Atabay a while ago. Gonzalez now looking to attack once again. The motor of this guy. Can't really help but see him constantly playing defense.